Hello All Out team. This week's fundamental is being vigilant about safety. Hopefully we cover something here that affects everybody. A lot of us work from home, some of us work in the field, some are in the office. A lot of us have families. Hopefully I touch on a couple of things that affects all of us, and we include safety in every part of our life. The big one everyone's had to do is fill gas cans. Always fill gas cans on the ground, not in your truck, not in the back of your trunk, not in the hatchback. Send the gas can over. Always have a rag to wipe up afterward. Fill your gas can on the ground so if anything did happen, it's in a wide open space, not a confined space. Put your gas can back in after you're done. Put it in your hatchback or your trunk and you'll close that afterward. Safest way to do it. Another thing I want to touch on, it's something that kind of affects everybody. One point or another, everybody's moved, had a U-Haul trailer, some type of trailer to move furniture, an ATV, a fishing boat, a regular boat. Our biggest thing is moving construction equipment. We're moving pavers, milling machines, skid steers, a lot of different stuff like that. A lot of smaller stuff gets hooked on the pickup. So with pickups, we have a couple of different kind of hitches. We have a spindle hitch style like this, where a donut style ring will go and set around this. And then we have what everyone's really common with is a ball hitch like this. Some are 2, some are 2 5/8. There's all different size balls. Always make sure you have the right size ball for the trailer. Just like with a gun with ammunition, on the side of a gun it tells the size ammunition. Trailers will tell you what size ball they need. That should all be on there. And the big thing with trailers is the maintenance of them. We don't want to get in situations where we're overturning, not taking care of things. When you're pulling cords out, when we take our plug out that gives us all our power for our lighting and everything, don't pull out by the cord. When you pull out by the cord, this is more likely to happen. Now you have no lights, no brake lights, no directionals, no four-ways, not safe, okay? Safe way to do it is use your hand, 1 or 2 if possible, and pull them out together. You have the rectangular style that's a little bit smaller. You got to get in there and pull it out. And then you have this style here, and there's even bigger ones. The new trucks have air systems. There's all different types of hookups, but be vigilant, know what you're doing, take your time, it's not a hurry. Most importantly, as we stop and go from each job site, or each time you turn your car on and off, whether it's towing your kids' soccer stuff around, you know, you may have a big cube van for a club soccer team or a club baseball team, whatever you're doing, stop and check this. Every time you're getting in and out of the car, it's your responsibility. Even with our crews, don't just check it in the morning and check a box on our safety sheet. Make sure each time you come and start and go from a job, you're double checking this stuff, that it's plugged in. Look for corrosion, have a wire brush, clean these things out. There's sprays available. We want to make sure that the general public can see our lights. You know, friends behind us, somebody may be following us that we love and we don't want them to rear end us. Very important to have the lights and everything working. Last big thing that happens with trailers, they go through more tires than anything. You see a lot of masonry contractors, striping contractors. If you ever had a striping van get a flat tire, not fun. But have your air gauge, always be checking your air pressure. Make sure you're set. Every time you're coming and going in from the yard with construction equipment, this should be done. Check every tire, because being out of balance, carrying a lot of weight, whether it's a dump truck with 16 ton of asphalt, roll-off type truck with 8 or 12 yards of dirt and mass debris or whatever, very important. It can affect the rideability and the safety of your vehicle. Nice to have a small portable air compressor like this. Always checking these things all the time. Hope a couple of these rub home for everybody, and look forward to everybody having a safe new year here. Be vigilant about safety, and don't forget, always go all out.